Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by jumping into settings and opening key bindings so you can take control now. Reassign movement to WASD if needed, then pick sprint and crouch keys that sit under your fingers. Once done, set basic actions like jump and interact to consistent keys. This reduces confusion. Make sure to save a profile and immediately test in free mode or director to confirm movement and responses feel natural, because early tweaks prevent bad habits later. Once basic movement is set, focus on driving and combat controls so you react faster in missions. Assign throttle and brake to W and S, put handbrake on space or E to execute quick turns. For combat, aim with right mouse and fire with left mouse, while weapon slots use tab or number keys 1 to 9. This keeps swaps instant. Make sure to set shift for sprint and alt for slow walk, and then tune mouse sensitivity until your shots land reliably. To finish, fine-tune settings and build consistency so you perform under pressure. Adjust dead zones and aim assist, bind quick actions like enter vehicle or toggle radio to reachable keys, and practice in low-risk activities to develop muscle memory. Once you feel fluent, create a backup profile. If something breaks, keys not responding, make sure the game window has focus, close overlays, update keyboard drivers, and try a different USB port. These steps solve most hardware or software conflicts quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.